Struggling to find the right woodworking project, or worse, starting one and realizing halfway through that you're missing crucial steps? You're not alone. A lot of DIYers hit that same wall. Unclear plans, missing measurements, or tools they can't afford. But what if you had access to thousands of clear, beginner-friendly plans at your fingertips? That's where Ted's Woodworking comes in. It's a massive collection of over 16,000 step-by-step plans with detailed instructions, diagrams, and photos, even if you have a small workshop or basic tools. If you want to learn more, the link is in the description below. When it comes to durability in outdoor projects, we often worry about rot. But what if I told you there are types of wood that defy decay? In today's video, we're exploring 5 incredible wood types that won't rot, and some of them might just surprise you. First up, we have Western Red Cedar. This beautiful wood is not only known for its stunning appearance, but also for its natural resistance to moisture and insects. It contains compounds that keep it from rotting, making it a top choice for outdoor furniture and decking. Next is teak, the royalty of outdoor wood. Teak contains high levels of natural oils which protect it from the elements and pests. This makes it perfect for boat building and garden furniture that lasts a lifetime without the need for chemical treatments. Now let's talk about ipe, often referred to as Brazilian walnut. This hardwood is incredibly dense and boasts a lifespan that can stretch beyond 50 years. It's not just durable, its rich color and grain make it a stunning choice for any outdoor space. Our fourth contender is cypress. This wood is rich in cypressine, a natural preservative that helps protect it from decay. It's lightweight yet robust, making it perfect for everything from shingles to boardwalks. Last but certainly not least is Osage Orange, a lesser-known gem. This wood is exceptionally strong and resistant to rot, even when in direct contact with the ground. It's perfect for fence posts and other outdoor structures. So, next time you're planning an outdoor project, think outside the box. With these rot-resistant woods, you can build beautiful structures that stand the test of time.